Okay, folks, we're going to make a few graphs here. So my first graph is standing still close to the sensor. The sensor is right in front of the camera here, and you may be able to hear it ticking, and we're going to just collect some data. And what I'll ask you to do is, once I bring the screen closer to the camera, so you can see what this looks like, once I bring it closer after the experiment, pause the video so you can draw a quick sketch of it. So pause the video now. And you want to just draw it, not as dots, but as a line, okay? It's just a quick sketch. Okay, our next data collection is standing still far from the sensor. And I'll show you what that looks like. So I don't think you can see it while it's being produced. We can see it's more or less a horizontal line. Okay, our next data collection will be walking forward in the positive direction, walking in the positive direction away from the sensor. So the sensor is at the origin, and I've defined away from the sensor as positive. So we can see what that looks like. And don't worry about the curvy bits, just draw it as a nice straight line. Okay, our next data collection will be walking quickly away from the sensor in the positive direction. And I had to stop, so we're going to end up with a bit of a flat line at the end. But we should be able to see that. We can see what that looks like. So pause. Okay, our final data collection will be walking slowly towards the sensor, so in the negative direction. And that's what that looks like. So I want you to draw these as just straight lines. Don't worry about the curvy bits. Just think about the general trend of the data.